Hi, welcome to D&D Home. Today, we're excited to introduce to you the Zemismart Matter over Thread Smart Motor Blinds with battery and solar panel. We recommend watching HomeKit news and reviews video for the installation process. We have the optional 6-button RF remote. The operation of the blind motor is smooth and quick. It's almost silent as it opens and closes. You can set it to open to 25%, 50%, and 75%. We installed the solar panel here. The solar panel charges the built-in battery via a USB-C connector. Closing of the blinds via remote. It's so simple to use that even our kids can control the blinds with no problems. Say goodbye to manually winding blinds. As you can see here, we set the closing limit for the blinds. Please remember to set closing and opening limits before pairing with Tuya app. Opening of the blinds via Tuya app. To pair with the Tuya app via Zemismart M1 Hub, you have to triple-click the reset button, and it will flash intermittently. Then you'll be able to add to the Tuya app for app control. Closing of the blinds via Tuya app. Overall, we were pleasantly surprised at how easy it was to install. With the solar panel, we didn't need to hook it up to a power supply. This was very convenient for us. All in all, it's a great addition to our home. Settings of the blinds in the Tuya app. We paired the app to our Zemismart M1 Matter Hub. We will be linking to HomeKit soon. Watch out for our upcoming YouTube Shorts video.